Welcome to Sweet Poppy Homestead. We are a family of 5 living in Southern California in the suburbs, and we are growing lots of food on our 1/4 acre lot. Here behind me you see our lemongrass that we grow. I was just weeding this area because we have a crabgrass problem, and it reminded me that I should make this video. So today I will be sharing 7 ways to use your lemongrass harvest. If you are not sure how to harvest your lemongrass, or if you want more information on the plant, I'll leave this link here for a different video that I completed. Please make sure to watch till the end so you can see one of my favorite ways to use our lemongrass harvest. And if you're interested, by the way, I was fixing the crabgrass and I'm trying a different kind of mulch in this area right now, and it's going to be just a ground cover. So I have some runner beans, cilantro, and some calendula seeds that I planted here, and we'll see if they grow and how that looks. Anyways, number 1, the first way you can use lemongrass is to make lemongrass tea. This is very popular cold and hot. I'll post a link here of how to make lemongrass tea if you're not sure. Lemongrass tea is popular. It's really tasty. It's a caffeine-free herbal drink. If you've never smelled lemongrass, it does smell like lemons. It has this citrusy smell with like hints of ginger, but it's just a little bit different than lemon, and it just smells so good. So the tea smells good, it tastes good, and it's good for you. I like to add ginger in my lemongrass tea as well. The second way you can use lemongrass is after you harvest it, you can grind it into a powder that you can use as a spice. The way you would make this into a powder is, step 1, you would cut it up into small pieces. Step 2, you can put those pieces in a dehydrator. After the dehydrator, once they're really bone dry and completely crispy and crunchy, you can put them into a spice grinder, blend it up, and it makes this nice powder. I'll leave the link below of the dehydrator and the spice grinders that I use. The lemongrass is nice as a powder because it allows you to add it to like stews, stir fries, marinades, all kinds of things without having that rough fibrous texture, but getting all the smell and the flavor of it, because lemongrass is very flavorful and it's really nice to add to a lot of different things. I also like to use the lemongrass powder for my chickens because they like to eat it too. So when I give them some treats, maybe some cooked carrots and things like that, I'll sprinkle on some of the lemongrass powder as well, and they eat it up. They love it. Number 3, you can use your lemongrass to make your own essential oils. To make your own essential oils, you would need your own distiller. It is a little bit of an expense, but if you're planning to use it to make a variety of all kinds of different essential oils, I think it would be worth it. If you're not familiar with essential oils, they have a very concentrated smell, so it's very aromatic and it's good to utilize in a lot of different ways. One of those ways is you can make your own natural perfume. You would mix it with a carrier oil and then put the essential oil in and put it on, and you can use that as perfume or to make you smell good. You can also add the essential oils to cleaning products. For us, we make our own all-purpose cleaner, counter cleaner, glass cleaner, all kinds of things, and we like to use our essential oils to put into that, so it makes everything smell good, and when you put the lemongrass in, it's a nice lemony scent. So that is one of our favorite ways to use it. Here at Sweet Poppy Homestead, we make a lot of lotions and balms and salves and natural deodorant and things like that, and we use lemongrass. It's one of our options for these products. So if you're interested, I'll leave a link below and you can check those out. But lemongrass is really nice. We have a lotion stick, we have deodorant, we have lip balm, we have salves, and we have our bug off lotion bar, which is really great. And that is just something we use all the time. That brings me to number 4. You can use lemongrass as an insect repellent. Lemongrass repels bugs like mosquitoes and flies and ticks. Our bug off lotion stick is made to repel insects, so it has peppermint as well because that can also repel insects. Lemongrass and peppermint, it smells really good. It also works to repel insects around your house So having lemongrass around the perimeter of your house can help keep bugs out. You can also add the lemongrass to your chicken coop, either dried and add it to the bedding, or putting it in the nesting boxes. The chickens like to smell it, and also it repels those bugs for them as well. Number 5, and this one's a really common way to use, you would add it to your cooking. It's nice to add into soups, stews, and curries. Also, you can add it to dry rubs for meat or marinades. One of our favorite ways, besides adding lemongrass to curries, is to put it in, we have a chicken wing recipe. So we can share that on another video if you're interested, but lemongrass chicken wings, you have to try it. The 6th way is to give it to your chickens. And I've talked about how they like the flavor, how you can put it in the nesting boxes, it can deter pests, but it also has some nutritional benefits for the chickens as well. Number 7. This is one of my favorite ways to use the lemongrass, and that is to use it as mulch. You can see behind me that the lemongrass plant is quite tall, and sometimes the leaves hang over the edge here. So I'll trim them, and then I'll just lay them down and use them as mulch. This is great to use around your fruit trees or any kind of trees that you want to retain moisture in. It's a great way to suppress weeds and deter pests from the tree with its strong scent. It also enriches the soil as it breaks down and provides a free organic ground cover. Those are 7 ways that you can use lemongrass. I'd love to hear your favorite ways to use lemongrass as well. So please let me know below. Thank you for watching. This is Sweet Poppy Homestead, and we'll see you next time. Happy gardening, everyone.